Hello and welcome back to the channel guys. In this video I'm going to share with you the correct method to solve a list of headings in IELTS reading. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So basically the passage that I am going to use today is from IELTS IDP. So the topic is the physics of traffic behavior. So the first step that we need to take while solving list of heading is that we need to read the paragraph first instead of reading the options. So let's read the first paragraph. It is a large paragraph, so I am reading it by myself. And basically in this paragraph they have taught us about two researchers of physics. Name is Drick and Boris, and they are from Germany, and they have published a paper on traffic flow. And basically they have used a concept of science in which they have explained like the molecules of gas. So basically they have used the same concept to explain how the traffic flows in real life, and this has helped a lot in solving the problem of traffic all across the world. So basically this is the central idea, that they have used the concept of science to solve traffic. So let's take a look at the options. Second step is to read the options one by one and mark correct answer. So let's read the first option. Basically it is answer of B, so it can't be answer of A. So next option is how a math experiment actually reduced traffic congestion. Math experiment ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. And the third one is how a concept from one field of study was applied in another. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਵਨ ਆਫ ਫੀਲਡ ਆਫ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਆ, ਅਤੇ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੋਲਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਾ ਟਰੈਫਿਕ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ. ਸੋ ਆਈ ਗੈਸ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਆਨਸਰ, ਬਟ ਵੀ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਰੀਡ ਐਵਰੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ. ਸੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਲੈਕ ਆਫ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਇਨ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ. ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. ਥਰਡ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਏਰੀਆ ਆਫ ਡਾਊਟ ਐਂਡ ਡਿਸਐਗਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਐਕਸਪਰਟਸ, and there is nothing to talk about this also in this paragraph. The next option is how different countries, there is nothing told us about the countries. The next option is the impact of driver behavior. They haven't told anything about drivers behavior. So the next option is a purpose to take control away from driver. ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. So I guess the third one is the right answer. How a concept from one field of study was applied to another. So let's take a look at the answers. Just read the options and one by one, and try to link it with the paragraph so that you can get the right answer. So yes, our answer is correct. The first option is first option, how a concept from one field of study is used in another, is correct option. So let's check the C paragraph. B is already done, and the C paragraph, the physicists have challenged proposals to set a maximum capacity for vehicles on a highway. They argue that it may not be enough simply to limit rate at which vehicles are allowed to enter a highway. Rather, it may be necessary to time each vehicle entry onto highway precisely to coincide with the temporary drop in the density of vehicle along the road. The aim of doing this would be smooth out any possible fluctuation in the road consolidation. And the future suggests that preventing breakdown in flow, directly regulating the speed and spacing of individual car along a highway with central computers and sensors that communicate with each car engine and control. So in this paragraph they have told us about the method that the physicists have proposed, in which they have told that we need to limit the number of vehicles on a highway. ਐਂਡ ਬੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਵਹੀਕਲਸ ਹਾਈਵੇ 'ਤੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲ ਸਕੇ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟਰੈਫਿਕ ਦੀ ਕੰਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਅਤੇ ਟਰੈਫਿਕ ਦੀ ਫਲੋ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਰਹੇ. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਗੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ ਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਇੰਜਨ ਅਤੇ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਟੇਕ ਅ ਲੁੱਕ ਐਟ ਦਾ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਥਡ ਹੀ ਸੁਜੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੋਚੀਏ ਤਾਂ So first option is already of B. So second option, how a math experiment, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ math ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. Third option is already of the first answer. So fourth one is a lack of investment in driver training. Drivers ਦੀ training ਬਾਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. Fifth option is area of doubt and disagreement. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ disagreement ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਾ. ਹਾਊ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਾ ਇੰਪੈਕਟ ਆਫ ਡਰਾਈਵਰਸ ਬਿਹੇਵੀਅਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ. ਪ੍ਰਪੋਜ਼ਲ ਟੂ ਟੇਕ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਅਵੇ ਫਰੋਮ ਦਾ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਲੋ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਇਟ ਅ ਪ੍ਰਪੋਜ਼ਲ ਟੂ ਟੇਕ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਅਵੇ ਫਰੋਮ ਦਾ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਨਸਰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ people will use the highway because they have told that they will allow the limited number of vehicles to move on the highway. So let's check the answer. Yes, the answer is correct. A proposal to take control away from the driver. So like this only you can also solve IELTS reading very easily. So let's take a look at the option D. However, researchers into traffic control is generally centered to civil engineering department, and the theories of physicists have been created with some skepticism. So and engineers questioned how well the physicist theoretical related traffic to the real world. Indeed, some engineers, since at least some of traffic phenomena, the physicist predictors. So in this paragraph also they have told us about the perspective of two uh, peoples, like the first one is engineer and the second one is physicist. They are like questioning each other and trying to blame each other for not having the perfect flow of traffic. So let's check the options that are available. So by reading this paragraph we have came to know that there is conflict between the ideas of both the engineers and the physicist. They are blaming each other. So we have read this option. So the option number fifth is correct, as they have told areas of doubt and disagreement between experts are engineers and physicists. So this is the correct option for this paragraph. So yes, the answer is correct, area of doubt and disagreement between experts in third option. So like this only you can solve your IELTS list of heading with an easy way and get your desired band score. If you have any doubt related to IELTS reading, so you can comment down below and visit my Telegram channel for talking to me personally. So the last paragraph E I am giving you as a homework. You can answer this in the comment section below, and if you have any problem just comment down below.